What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new vlog for today. So let's gonna unbox this. So this is new. So here we go, guys. We got some metal buds, so an earbuds, right? So you can see this is an earbuds, and also we got some new wireless earbuds. So this is from Century Industries. So let's go gonna check it. Gonna check this out. So this two is, I bought this from Dollar General right here in USA. So this go is only for $5. And also we got also this Century Industries True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds, which is only cost for only $10, right? So this is so cheap, right? So cheap. So let's go gonna open this up, and and also let's gonna unbox this, and let's start it up. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the location of the angle of the camera. Okay, first is I'm gonna have to try this out. So this is new. So how to open this one? So okay, there it goes, which is in the upper up. Okay, so this is hard to open. It's because this is uh this is a great quality of an earbud, uh, right? So here it goes, and here it goes, guys. So nice, right? So this is a nice, right? And then let's go gonna take it off. So it has also a microphone, right? So, and then also this is the earbuds. Okay, carefully so that it will not be loosen it up. So okay, so let's go gonna take it off, and then right there. So nice, very nice. And also I really like the style of this one, right? So, and then also here it goes, and then I think the one with the microphone is, I think this is the right side, right? So I think this is the right side, and this is the left side, right? So, and so it got some, it is also have some, what is this, extra buds for you to change it, right? So okay, I'm gonna have to take this back in here, right? So I'm gonna have to take this back in here, so that we can have a more space from this tiny little, how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it right now. So here it goes, guys. So okay, I'm gonna have to open this one. Okay, so before I will test it, so okay, let's go gonna open this, and it's a sealed, right? So I don't have a knife here, so I think I'm gonna have to buy a knife, and I think I have to buy an EDC knife, cutting knife, in Walmart, right? So that I can open some boxes. Okay, so I'm gonna have to check this out. So have to check this out, and let's see how this gonna go. Oh, okay, nice. So we got some quick start guide, and also the manual inside. So, and this is the earbud. So we got the, okay, also the type C. We've got the type C, and also we've got the case over here. No, nice. Oh, awesome. Okay, so right here is the earbuds, right? So let's go gonna okay let's go. There it goes, right? it's already it's already charging it up. So here it goes. Whoa, nice. Oh, I like it. It's because this letter S is also has an RGB lights, right? It has also it has also an RGB lights, and also you can see inside this one right here. Okay, this one right here, you can see that it is also glowing, right? Oh, awesome. I like this one. So if I'm gonna turn off the lights, let's go gonna check it out. Okay, so there you have it, guys. So it is so clear that it is dark in the room, right? So as you can see, that is the RGB lights, right? So okay, so there you go, guys. So there you have it. Oops. So there you have it. So nice, right? This is awesome, right? Good and a nice product. So what's with it? Okay, I also found this in here. So an extra buds, right? So I think it's an extra buds for you to use it, right? I think yes, it's an extra buds for you to use it, right? Over there. So I just have to put it right back and then go. I'm gonna have to put this back on into the box, right? So I'm just gonna have to do this because I'm gonna test it out, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, there you go. And then I'm gonna have to put this all over here, and then I'm gonna put it right back in the box, right? Okay, and there you have it, and there you go, the box. Awesome, really like the box also, is because there's also nice, right? So next, if I'm gonna go back to the Dollar General, I'm gonna buy also another speaker, right? Okay, so there you go, guys. So for only $10, worth it, right? Worth it. Okay, so let's go gonna test. So let's go gonna test this too. Okay, so let's go gonna test this too. So alright, I'm gonna go check this out, this wide earbud. So let's go gonna check it if it is a good one also, this if it is a good product. Okay, so let's go try it up. So let's go gonna, since it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's go gonna try it out. Okay, so here it goes. Gonna put this on right here. So overall it's so good, right? So I like it. So I really like the bass of this one. It's so cool and it is also nice. So as you can see, the music that I played is Animals by Martin Garrix. It is an EDM song, right? EDM music. So really good, really good earbuds to wired earbuds for you to play, for you to hang out, and also you can use it into your